Okay, this is a typing test for a 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe. They only made this model in 48. It's got the black or charcoal sides and front plate, and then the rest of it is gray. This one's in really nice condition. It's a pica machine, so it's got basically 80 characters across the page, 10 characters per inch. Very nice clear typeface. This also has glass keys. They call these tombstone because they're shaped like a tombstone, sort of rounded. I love typing on glass key typewriters. This is what I use. I use a round one, but the glass keys, they just feel great. Tombstone, round, whatever. Just there's something special about these. The only real complaint that I have about this typewriter, cosmetically, there's some of the lettering inside is a little faded from the years. You can still see it all, but you have to take it apart to get into that. So otherwise, this typewriter really is in nice shape, just great condition. A couple things to note: it's got tabs. They're you sort of push and slide. They're back here. You can see here's your tab button. Works great. Also, your margins. Your left margin is a magic margin, so you can push and slide it to wherever you want, or you can use the magic, which you pull it forward and then you just slide it to wherever you want it to be. So I actually don't want it there, but yeah, that's how that works. And you can see I pull it forward, it slides the margin over. Left one you do by hand, so you just push down and slide it. All right, so let's get to the typing test. I'm going to do a poem by Theodore Rothko. There it is. And he was writing in the 40s. So theoretically, this is a poem that could have been written on one of these typewriters. Good, looking good. Margin's good. All right, here we go with our test. So your caps lock, your red. Very nice, smooth action. Actually, just for demonstration, here's their touch control. Touch this on the easiest level, so I'm going to slide it all the way to the hardest, just so you can see the difference in my typing. It's just a little more taut, requires more pressure, but if you're a hard typist, this is what you want to do. If you're used to typing on a computer, you want to go for zero. Go for easy. So as much as I am fine typing that way, I'm going to put it back in the middle, just to make it a little easier. can see all the different levels. Okay, there's our poem. And let's go ahead and type our letters. Once again, a 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe. In great typing condition. Just lovely to type on. Do these letters in red, why not? Now for the numbers, there's no one key, so we'd use the L. There are a couple of fractions, so I'll do them first. And now for the characters. A completed typing test for this 1948 Royal Quiet Deluxe. Let's see if we can get this to focus here. Here we go. Thanks for watching.